What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. And if you read the title, I think you know why you're here. These 350Z door handles suck. This is a factory design. They're plastic and they just love to just break. So you're probably wondering, how do I change them? I'm gonna show you. So I ordered a set of 2 door handles off Amazon. They're black because I wanted to change it up. The factories are silver. I wanted to give black handles a try, see what they look like. And I paid $72 for these door handles. We're gonna see how they look. I think black should look good on the car. There we go, those are the new ones. These appear to have a thicker wall on the housing for the push nut. So if you look here, look at the difference. Look how thin that is. Look how thick that is. So there's a slight improvement here. Of course, I have left hand and right hand side mixed up, but that's okay, you get the idea. I'm gonna show you how to change these. Niko, what are you doing?
Yo, what's up guys? It's Tanner. Today we're gonna be putting in new door handles for my 350Z that I bought a decade ago and have never driven. Really excited to get these going again. I bought this 10 years ago and have never driven it. What's up? My name's Tanner. All right, let's get going.
Pretty much all you need for this is a 10 mil. This is like working on a Honda. So, if you follow me here around the corner of the door, you got these plugs here. You don't even need tools to take these out. You just pop these out. Now I changed the other side to black. So even though this side's not broken, I'm changing it anyway, which is perfect because this one's gonna set a good example on exactly what you're working with and how to change it, because this one is still perfectly fine. One thing you need to be cautious about is if you drop these nuts into this door, they're gonna rattle like a biatch forever. Watch me drop this. Watch me drop this bolt. Woo! 2 for 2. Let's go.
This is gonna be the one to drop.
No. Niko. Money. Okay. Here's the second part. Now this door handle is gonna be loose. It'll make me eat my words. Yeah, so like I said, this door handle is gonna be loose and it's just gonna come right off. Yeah, so it's loose. And see, when you want them to come off, they don't come off. And then when you don't want them to come off, like in front of a whole crowd, pull on your door handle, just falls right off. Why can't I do it when I want it to? I think there's a tab inside here. Yeah, see, it just comes right off. And then inside there, lots of guys will try and take this linkage off while it's inside there. I just pull it right out. This rod right here sits inside this little pocket right there. So you can literally just...
There's not much light in there, but you can see it in there.
Yeah. So you literally just get it on a bit of an angle, take it right out. And then there's a little clip right here. All you gotta do is just hold this, pop the rod out. Dunzo. Follow me. Grab your new door handle. Push it in there. Clip it in the exact same way. We're gonna do this in one shot.
This is a 5-minute job that will actually just take you 5 minutes.
Yeah, this is not like how to install a turbo kit in your car in 15 minutes. Like, this will actually just take you 5 minutes. It's okay, don't be scared. Get it inside that linkage. There's a little tab on the bottom side of the door here, of the handle itself. Oh, yeah, so right, you just need to make sure that that recesses up there. And then it pushes down. So you get the door handle in, and then a little tab sits on the inside of the door. You just want to make sure that you just pull it down a little bit, and then it holds the door handle in place when you want it to. When you don't want it to, then they break. We're not going there. We're there. We're here because we're fixing it. And we will be back. Maybe I'll make another one of these videos in a year when they break again. Then you try to avoid dropping your bolts into the door again. I mean, again, that never happened. Actually, funny thing is I took the driver's side apart once, and there's 2 bolts for the lock cylinder. One that goes through the lock cylinder bracket into the door handle itself, and then another one that just bolts it to the door handle. And I pulled it off and it was just sitting there. I was like, ah, so somebody's been here before and we'll be back again. Tighten these up. Check your fitment. Make sure your fitment's good. Yeah, fitment's real good.
Yeah. Like,
yeah.
oh, look at that.
Like I said, check your fitment. Snug it up. Niko, are we gonna do this entire video in one clip?
Yes, we are. Well, 2 clips, including the intro.
I guess we'll find out how interesting we really are. Wow.
Messed it up somewhere, Tanner. Smell it.
Oh. You just hit me in the head with the camera. Yeah, I do agree, but
If it doesn't work, just smack it.
I don't know where the issue is. We're gonna loosen this off. Cut clip.
Classic 350Z.
Yeah, we're gonna get to that eventually.
Eventually.
It's always important to do aesthetic mods that are non-crucial before fixing stuff that's crucial. That's how every car builder does it. Do the unnecessary things and leave the necessary things till very last, or just never do them at all.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna fix this. What I was actually thinking about doing with this was, because this surface is so close to what the interior actually looks like, I might end up actually just scratching all this off and just leaving it the way it is. Now, take your rubber plugs, we'll call them, stuff them back in their holes. This is where you find out if you did it right or not. If you follow my instructions, you will have done it right. If you didn't do it right, that's on you. It works.
It works.
Hey.
It worked before.
Falls off. I'm just kidding. Well, door handles are done. I hope you 350Z owners found this video useful. That's the driver's side. Worked out well. Niko in his Cummins hat.
Come in. Can't come in or come on her.
Use the passenger side. Thanks for watching. Tune in for the next video. We're always up to something.